Okay. So, hi Manisha, how are you?
Yes, fine, sir.
Okay. So, Manisha, we'll start with your introduction. So, first of all, tell me something about yourself.
Uh, my name is Avadana Manisha, sir. I'm a science
Okay.
graduate. I recently
Okay.
completed my post-graduation in MSc Botany from Osmania University. My
Okay.
specialization is plant physiology and molecular biology. And
Okay.
I have an internship experience from 𝐕𝐧𝐭𝐞𝐫𝐯
Okay.
University.
Okay.
I was a summer research fellow, and
Okay.
we are a family of four, sir. Me, my father, mother, and sister. My sister got married.
Okay. Okay. So, Manisha, what do you know about Byju's, the BDA role? What is your job role and what you have to do in Byju's? So, what do you know about it?
Well, while talking about the BDA role, I know it is something that is related to sales, and
Okay.
you need to have some excellent communication and verbal skills. That is what I came when I have read the pre-interview handout. That is what I came to know, and
Okay.
you need to counsel the students. That is the potential customers, the parents, and the students, and you need to arrange the meetings and all. And sometimes you need to make some cold calls. If at all it is necessary, you need to also go on field and do some sales.
Okay. Okay. So, what is the basic difference between a sales and a marketing?
Uh, well, I can say marketing is something like sparkling the interest in the product. Like you need to make the product very interesting. I mean, you need to explain in detail about the product. While talking about sales, I can say it is all about how dynamic you make the product among the users. I mean, both are different domains, but when it comes to me, I think sales is the much more priority because you need to, at the end, you need to have you need to make the sale, right? I mean, you have to make the product dynamic. That is what it is really important.
Okay. Cool. So, do you think you have the convincing skills? You can easily convince customer to buy a product?
Well, I can say yes, sir. I mean, I have good communication skills. That is why I can say I can convince people very easily.
Okay. So I have a question that you have a technical domain basically. So all things which you have talked about your education. So basically it is a more technical. Okay. So why you are switching your career from a technical background to a sales background suddenly, all of a sudden?
Well, if I have to say one thing, sales has nothing to do with degree, sir. And when I was studying, I came to know that I have excellent communication skills and I can easily manage people with that. So I came to know about that. So that is why I want to do a sales domain. I want to go for sales domain. And
Okay.
the second thing is that I mean, so can you please repeat the question?
My question was basically that you are basically from a technical domain, right?
Yeah.
And sales is altogether a field job basically, in which you have to
Hmm.
convince the customer, you have to keep on convincing customer to buy products, right? So these are two different domains. Sales is different and technical domain is a totally different domain. So why do you want
Yes.
to make a switch to a sales domain all of a sudden?
Yeah, but I mean, as I mentioned before, that sales has nothing to do with the degree. It's all about convincing the people. And when I was studying, I just came to know that I have good communication skills and I can make engaging conversations and all. That is why I've chosen this role especially.
Okay, so I'll have some sales question to you. Take me as your customer, and you become a sales representative. Okay, and try to convince me whatever scenario I'm giving you. Try to convince me by selling the products. Okay, suppose you're a salesperson in a watch showroom. Okay,
Mm,
and I
mm,
am a very rich person, and I am coming to your watch
mm,
showroom to buy a expensive watch. Okay,
mm,
but your
mm.
job is to sell me a watch which is very old. It is basically a 19th century watch. Okay,
Okay.
and you
Mm,
are given a task to sell me that particular watch. Okay,
mm, mm,
so we'll have a role play kind of thing. Okay, so I'm
mm.
coming to your shop. So hi Manisha, can you show me some expensive watches?
So what are you looking for? I mean, what is your main purpose for? Why do you want to buy
See
that
basically,
watch?
I attend many of the parties and meetings. Okay, so
Mm,
basically I am
mm,
fond of watches. I try to check my watches
mm,
every day. Okay, so I'm
mm.
looking for an expensive watch, the most
Hmm.
expensive one you have in your shop. I can buy that, no issues.
So why are you only looking for expensive watch? I mean, sometimes even I can say that the look also matters now. So why are you looking for only expensive watches? Why don't you try for why don't you check which is more suitable for you? Why are you putting a certain range? Like, why are you so specific?
See, because I have the business partners which are dealing with me, they are of very
Yeah.
high society. Okay. So
Okay.
I have to manage the reputation accordingly. Okay. So I
Mm.
only like to wear like heavily expensive watches like
Mm.
Rolex and these kind of brands. That's why
Mm.
I told you that I want the most expensive watch in your shop.
Sir, your idea is good. I mean that nothing is wrong in whatever you have mentioned, but
Okay.
according to me, it is not on the range. It all. I mean, you have to look at what is suitable for you. What do you like the most? For example,
Okay.
Rolex like watches are bought by most of the customers who are like rich and all, who can afford money. But if you're
Okay.
looking for vintage watches, like the old ones, I mean, that makes you unique among the people. Like even there's kind of like everybody is putting the big dial ones or whatever the expensive watches that are available in the market, but when you're going for the vintage one, I think that makes you very uh, very unique among everybody. And also I think vintage watches are no less to the expensive watches, so I think you need to try on it. If it really suits you,
Okay.
I
And
think
what
you have to.
that suppose if I am like as you told, okay, we'll start the recording. Okay, so Manisha, as I told that, like as you mentioned, to wear a vintage watch. But do you think if I'm going to a high society meeting, if I'm having big meetings with big clients, do you think if I wear a vintage watch at that place, will that be suitable? Will that look nice?
Actually, if I have to keep it looks very classy, sir. I mean, the appearance and all, the vintage watches look very classy. So
Okay,
I think you have to go for it. Like, it will be classy.
okay, it will look classy according to you. My question was, I have a budget of 10 lakh rupees, but your
Mm-hmm.
minimum price of Audi is 40 lakh rupees. So you have to
Mm-hmm.
convince me to buy a Audi of 40 lakhs. So how will you approach?
Okay, sir. So can we start?
Yes, please start.
So you just approach me. I mean, you are coming to the showroom.
Yes. So okay, Manisha. So my budget for the Audi is 10 lakh rupees. So what is the bare minimum price
Mhm.
of the Audi that you have right now?
Well, our starting range is from 40 lakhs, sir. So these are
Okay.
all the it has all the features like air conditioning, and it has a very classy appearance. Especially,
Okay.
it is an AMT ones like with I don't know what are the car features. So, sir, I'm
Okay.
not
No
able
issues.
to.
So you can have a
I think.
basic features. You can just tell the basic features.
Okay, sir. So it is like you have the air conditioning and it has a very classy appearance. It is available in all the colors. I mean, it is available in black color, especially. I mean, it is ready to sell. So
Manisha, I think
your budget is
Manisha, I
10.
think I'm sorry to interrupt you in between, but I'm sorry. I think that you are offering a Audi of 40 lakh rupees. Okay, and my budget is 10 lakh rupees. So I don't think I'll be able to buy the Audi because it is like most expensive. 30 lakhs is a big difference basically. So I
Sir,
don't
you
think I'll
can
be
take
able to
loan,
pay.
sir. Sir, you can take a car loan. By that, you can afford for the car. That is what something I can say for you. So you can afford by taking a car loan and then buy the car. I think when you're renting it, the return on investment is very nice. I mean, the ROI is very high. So I recommend you to buy
Okay.
this. And especially it is very unique among all the cars because of its classy appearance and what all the features, because of the features and all. So that is why it is 40 lakhs, sir. But trust me, if you're buying this car, you'll never regret because of the features and all. And especially, you are saying you are buying it for a rental purpose, right? So,
Okay. So it will give me
yeah.
returns in future. Right now, I have to arrange 30 lakh rupees, right? Because if for paying EMIs also, there might be a specific EMI every month. So I have to pay the EMIs, right? Right. So for
Mhm.
now, it is not possible for me to pay the EMIs because the range is very high. and like I don't have anything to keep mortgage to banks also. So it is not
Sir,
possible for me to take loans also.
sir, maybe in the short term, it may be difficult for you, but in the long term purpose, it is a very nice thing to invest on. Because car is never a waste investment, sir. If at all you are a person who drives a lot, or else you can rent out to somebody and all, I think it is a great investment that you can make with. So trust me, sir. Not now, but in the long term, you'll be serving the purpose.
So Manisha, I think I'll take some time. I'll come back next year. I'll arrange some money from my side and I'll come back next year. So I'll check next year if I can buy. Right now, I don't think it is affordable. I'll buy next year. I'll come to you.
Sir, I think money is not the criteria over here. I mean, your purpose is mainly for renting, right? So if at all
Right.
you're buying the car now, after 1 year, I think the price may be double. We don't know what will happen in the next 1 year, right? If you're buying it currently,
Okay.
I think you will serve the purpose. So I mean, I always recommend you to buy it as quick as possible. We don't know what will be happening in
Okay.
the next year. So if you're investing on it
Okay.
now, you can buy it, yeah, and serve the
Cool. Cool.
purpose.
Okay. My next question to you, Manisha, is suppose I am a Brahmin person and you
Mhm.
have to sell me a fish. So how will
Mhm.
you approach selling me a fish?
Okay. Sir, firstly, you are a Brahmin, but why are you like, why did you come for a fish shop? I mean, why do you want to buy a fish?
So I am
That's
not
not
here
the
to buy
thing.
a fish. Basically,
I'm
no,
approaching
see,
you.
yes, you have to approach me. I'm not approaching you.
Okay, sir. Sir, do you eat fish?
No, actually, I'm a Brahmin. I'm a complete Brahmin. So we don't eat fish. So I won't be able to buy fish from you.
Sir, I think fish has lot of benefits, sir, like omega 3 fatty acids, and it's good for heart and liver. And there is no vegetarian substitute for fish. Why are you so reluctant to eat fish? Like when it is having
See,
lot of benefits.
it is like a crime for my house. If my mother got to know this thing that I am having fish in my house, or if I am talking to someone who is a fish seller, she'll kill me because it is strictly prohibited in my house. We do not talk about fish also in my house, and you are trying to buy a fish. That is a way long thing. So it is
So when you
not possible for me.
Sir, for a moment, if you're keeping all these things aside and think about the
Hmm.
benefits it has, and there is no harm in consuming fish. Like in return, you'll be getting all the benefits. Like especially people are consuming it for, as I said, for liver and heart, and it is also good for skin. And being keep not, I mean, uh, the traditional systems and customs always tell us to not to eat fish or something that is something that is for the family, but keeping all the superstitions aside, and I think you have to
Okay,
go away, I mean you
okay,
have to
so
cross all the,
okay, so basically you want that I should break my tradition and I should eat fish because it is having health benefits. That is what you are suggesting, right? That break all traditions, don't follow all of them, they are waste, and focus on your health. That is important. Just eat fish, right?
Sir, it is
That is what
nothing
you are
like
saying.
breaking the traditions, sir. All our traditions say us to like all our traditions tell us to do something like that is no, I mean that is not breaking your tradition in any way. Like in fact, it is doing good for you. Like
Okay, suppose if I believe in tradition, I am a
hmm,
traditional person, I owe to
hmm,
God, okay, and I
okay,
do prayers daily. I have full
hmm,
faith on God. So in
hmm,
that case, are you telling me to break tradition? Because for me, it is breaking tradition. You might be
yeah.
right at your place, but for me, it is like that only. If I
Hmm,
touch the fish also, then also it is breaking of tradition. So do you think
hmm.
I should do that? Because I am that kind of person.
Uh, Sir, I think the people who tell you, or else whatever the superstitions that have, you said your mother is against to you for eating fish, but but she may be, I mean, that is okay. But people who tell you that if you eat fish, you're breaking the traditions and all, and those people will only talk beside you that no, no, he is something like he's doing wrong and all. I mean, if you're doing right also, so keeping all these people aside, it is good to consume it. I mean, not good to consume it. But whatever I say is like, think about it, think twice. Like, since it has all the health benefits, it's nothing like breaking the tradition. In fact, there is nothing like this is wrong and this is right. So I think you have to give it a second thought.
Okay, cool. Manisha, now we'll have some academic questions to you. I'll ask some simple academic questions to you. Try to answer it as per your knowledge. Okay. So my first question to you is, do you know second law of Newton?
No, sir. I don't remember.
Okay. Do you know what is E is equals to MC square? What is this
Yes,
equation
sir.
called?
E is equal to MC square. It is, I'm not remembering it, sir.
Okay. So what is the difference between ratio and fraction?
Ratio and fraction. Like, no, sir.
Okay. Why the color of sky is blue? Why not red, pink, purple?
Because in the
Why only
WebGR,
blue?
the dispersion of
Okay.
blue is more. So that is why, since the so sky is blue in color.
What is the actual color of sun?
I think.
Don't know?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. No issues. So suppose now I'll give you a scenario in which suppose you are a BDA of Byju's. Okay. And now I'm giving you some scenarios in which you have to sell me the product of Byju's. Okay.
Okay.
So I am the customer, you are the BDA. Okay. And I'm giving you some situations. Okay. Suppose you are selling me a product that is of 1 lakh rupees. Okay. And I am asking you to give me 90K. I don't want to pay 1 lakh. I'll pay only 90K. Okay. But as per the company's policy, you cannot give discount to me. Not even of a single penny. Okay. But I am stick. If you don't give me discount, I won't buy the product at any cost. So now how will you convince me?
Okay, sir. So shall we start it?
Yes, please start.
Sir, you want to buy this product, like it is finalized. You want to buy it, right?
Yes, correct.
So what is the price? I mean, I've mentioned it 1 lakh. Do you want to put
I
on
want
that
it
money?
in 90K. See, I'll tell you, I asked Vedantu also, I asked Whitehead Junior also. They are giving the same product in 80K, 85K. But still I'm able to pay 90K. So I want this in 90K only. I won't pay a single penny extra.
So why are you
Is it
so
possible?
reluctant? I mean, why are you so reluctant to pay that 10K? Like when we have mentioned all the features, like what do you feel that keeping it, I mean, keep all the companies, whatever you have looked for, Vedantu or Whitehead Junior or something, our product is unique. So don't compare it with them. So why are you not okay to pay that money, like 1 lakh? Or
Because see,
what is
I'll tell you, the basic problem is that all the features which Vedantu is giving me, same features Byju's is giving me. Okay. Nothing is extra. As per me, I think everything is same. Okay. But still I am paying 10K extra. They are giving me 80K and I am going to pay 90K. Okay. So for same features, same benefits, why should I pay 20K extra? What is the benefit of paying 20K extra?
Sir, according to me, if at all you're okay to put 10K, that's not. I mean, you can also afford for the other 10K. I think
But why should I?
there is nothing. Because I think investing in education is like, I mean, it always has its own benefits, sir. Your child will be benefited with this product. I mean, I don't know what all the features that Vedantu is giving you, but when compared to Byju's, I think the concepts are easy to be understood. That is why we have all this much of sales. So just think, sir, if at all you're going to put that 10K, you can also afford for that. I mean, 90K, you can also afford for the 10K. So please think it. I mean, that is what I can say.
Okay. Suppose if
According
my
to the
child is
company's
having
policy and according to the company's policy also, I can't give this product much. I mean, I can't give you any discount. So please think it.
Okay, cool. So my basic problem is one more, that my child is having a weak eyesight. Basically, he
Mm,
cannot
mm,
look into the tablet application all the day because
mm,
he already wears specs, and he is facing a lot of issues by
mm,
looking into tablet and mobile phones all day. And you
mm,
told that you have all the studies in tablet, right? So
yes.
he'll definitely have a damage to his eyesight if he looks for a longer time. So I don't
Uh,
think that it will be more beneficial to pay.
hmm. Sir, while keeping it real, I think if at all he efforts like a minimum amount of time, it is enough for him. Like he doesn't need to spend all the day. If he's spending a lot of time on the day, then I think he will be suffer. He may be having any future eyesight problems or not, and all. So if he's just spending on some bare minimum amount of time, that is enough for him. Like this tablet provides all the features, and I think he has to buy it, sir, because it is good for him. And if he spares a minimum amount of time, that is enough.
Okay. And one more issue which I faced is like, suppose if you are giving me this tablet, okay. So what, my child is fond of games basically. Okay. So what
Hmm.
he'll do is, I am a job oriented person. So in the morning I'll go to my job. Okay. In the
Hmm.
evening I'll come. So no one is going
Hmm.
to take care of what he's doing on the tablet. So as
Hmm.
per me, he'll play the games all day. Okay.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
do you think that I am giving this particular 90K or 1 lakhs for playing games? So is it good if I am like neglecting this part?
Uh, Sir, I think playing games doesn't mean he's not focused in studies. May not be
Okay.
because of no good tutor or mentor, he may not be doing well. So that is what.
Okay.
I mean, our main curriculum is designed in such a way that we counsel the students and make them interest in the studies, make them interested. It is very important to make them interested in studies. It may be because he is not interested or he is not focused. He is not investing time in studies. So it doesn't has anything to do with his smartness or with his restlessness or something. I think if he's playing games, he's smart enough to do well in the studies also. So our program is designed in such a way that they get interested in the studies because we are very unique because of visualizing the concepts. That is what our company provides. So he can
See, but
visualize it. And,
I'll tell you one thing. He likes to waste time. If he gets the mobile, then definitely he'll play games. He'll play irrelevant games, and he'll waste his time. Okay, that will be of no use, because I have seen 2 3 times playing him game. He play the games like PUBG and the
mm,
war games. Okay, so
mm,
he's
mm,
basically passing his time only. So do you
mm.
have any feature in which we can observe all these things, that he cannot play game, or we can restrict things like this? Do you have any feature like this?
Sir, we can mentor them and counsel them so that they'll get interested. Like we'll be mentioning, if at all those cartoons are teaching him some lessons, he'll be involved in the. I mean, he'll be involved in learning the lessons, right? So the same thing also happens over here. We'll be mentoring them, we'll be counseling them, we'll be telling them, like we'll be giving a schedule for them so that they'll be not wasting their time. So that is the way we
Okay.
interest in, I mean, we'll make the student interested in studies.
Okay, cool. So my next question to you is, Manisha, suppose in Byju's we have a 15 days refund policy. Okay.
Hmm.
So suppose if I have used the application for 15 days, and
Hmm.
now I am very iterated, I am very angry with the product. So
Hmm.
I am just telling you that take this bloody thing out of me, and I want my
Hmm.
money back right now. I am very
Hmm.
iterated. I just want my money back. I
Hmm.
just want take this thing from me, and I want my money back. So how
Okay.
will you like tackle this situation? So
Okay.
I'm just telling
So
you,
like,
Manisha, take this product from me. I'm just playing a role play, okay, and I'm just giving you the situation. So
hmm.
Manisha, like as you told, it is very good. It is pathetic. Trust me, it is pathetic. It is of
Hmm.
no use. Take
Hmm.
this from here. I want my complete money back right now.
Sir, why? I mean, how many days did you try, sir? How many days
It
did you
has
use the
been
product?
it has been like 12, 13 days, and I am
Well,
literally irritated. I
so
don't
12,
want this
13
bloody
days is
thing.
a very short period, right? So what are you irritated with? Why are you so much irritated with? What is the one
See,
thing that
see,
made you irritated?
see. I'll tell you, before this particular application, when my child was having a physical learning, at that time he was very focused in learning. But from last 14 days, he is not at all studying. He is like he has
Okay.
lost his focus because of this application.
So,
He's
sir,
just
how
like
many
he
days?
just yes.
Yeah. Yes. Sir, how many hours he has been using the application
I think he
from this
might be
past
using for
1 day?
1 or 2 hours. 1 or 2 hours,
One or
and
two.
maximum time he plays games and all those things.
Okay. So, how much did it? I mean, how much did you take for? I mean, what is the amount that you invested, sir, for the
60K,
application?
60,000.
60K. Okay, 60K is a very, I mean, very big amount. So, what is he
Yes,
studying, sir?
he's studying everything. Like in the course curriculum, he has science,
No, no.
social
Which
science,
grade, sir?
math, and everything.
Which grade?
Acha, which
Which
grade?
grade he is
He's in
studying?
class six.
Yeah.
Class six.
Class 6 and 60K. Okay. So he has been using the application for 1 to 2 hours, right?
Yes, mostly.
So mostly. Okay. So he has been spending a very little amount, sir. And I think you can't say it. I mean, why are you so much agitated? Like he's playing games with the in the tablet. That is what that makes you feel irritated, right?
Yes.
So it doesn't mean he's not focused on studies, sir. But I think he
See,
has
the
not been
basic
used.
thing is, I tell you, the basic thing is, he is not at all interested. He has no interest in studying from him. I have seen this thing that he has no interest. He tells me that virtual learning is waste of time. He tells me from his side only. Like he is telling me from knowing all these things, from learning from the application, he is telling me that dad, it is a waste of time. Just return this and take your money back.
Sir, we also offer offline platforms also. We also provide one-on-one tutoring. So I think you need to try it. Virtual learning is also a good process, but some people may not like it because of something. But usually virtual learning is preferred because videos are better over books. That is what we have been listening. And lighter, as we say, it is good because it has a lot of cognitive cognitive and social illustrations make the memory to be faster in children. That is what it's being a proven fact. So I think we provide both the offline and online platforms. So once or else if he's given some counseling and mentoring also, he can perform better, I think. So you need to try for it.
No, still I'm not interested. I just want my money back. I don't want anything else from you. Just I want my 60K back. That's all.
Sir, giving 60K back is not a big deal, sir. I mean, we have got a lot of customers. That is not a big deal. The primary criteria over here is the child has to get benefited. That is what we are looking for, right? So let him, I mean, just he has been spending only 1 to 2 hours, right? So make him sit for longer hours. I mean, just improve it day by day, like not at a stretch, but first one and then moving on to 2 hours or something. Then I think he'll slowly cultivate the interest. And that is what I
Cool.
think giving a refund policy is not a I mean, we can give the refund policy, but that is not the main criteria, right? He has to be benefited. That's what we are all looking
Cool.
for.
Cool. Got your point, Manisha. I think,
Yes,
Manisha, we
sir.
are done with the interview, and now we'll have the feedback of the interview. Okay. But I think the feedback will be on another meeting. So just leave this meeting and join the same link again, and there we'll have the feedback session.